So I imagine if you're watching this, it's because you're having some issues with the voice assistant that's coming on your Samsung TV. All right, so as you see, every button that I push on the Samsung remote, if I just turn up the volume on it,
volume 1380 soundbar Q6R series.
It starts talking to me.
Volume 1480 soundbar Q6R series.
I'm going to show you the step-by-step process and how to turn that off. So first thing you're going to want to do is grab your remote and you're going to want to hit the home button. Now this may look different on different Samsung TVs. A lot of the menus are the same when it comes to this, so I'm going to show you. Click all the way over, go to settings, and don't go up on it. When you get to settings, make sure you push on settings instead of going up. That's a step that a lot of people miss, is that actually hit the settings button instead of going up. So we're gonna go ahead and click on settings.
Menu, 5 items, 1, picture.
Okay, and then you're gonna go down
4, general.
To general. Click on general.
10 items, 1.
All right, now you're gonna go down
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
to accessibility. Click on that right there. Go to voice guide settings, turn it
voice guide settings, 4 items, 1
off.
Voice guide.
There we go. Now I got it to stop. So when it's grayed out like that, that means it's off. When you click on it, it's on. So that's how you turn off this voice assistant feature. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys. If it was, throw a thumbs up on this video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time. I'd love to have you back in the next one.